The doorbell camera recorded something dangerous. An intruder was trying to break into a house, but then, at just the right moment, the homeowner noticed. What happened next is pretty scary. You won't believe it.
What's wrong with him?
He's drunk.
이게 한나라에 가는 거 느낌이야?
Hey, you don't live here, sir. Son, don't do that!
Already fucking told you once. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get the f*** out of here.
No! Here, son, open the door, come on! Please, let's hurry. Son!
Get it.
There's a drunk guy that's in our yard, in our house. He just came into our house.
Oh.
We got him out. Come in the house, shut the door, let's go. Come on, son, let's go. Get in the house. Get in the house. Let's lock the door.
No.
My cars are outside.
They're fine. Yes, I'm locking the door right now.
나 모르겠어.
These women, tired of being victims, hoped for a quick response from the police. Their relief was palpable when a hero stepped in and caught the wrongdoer.
Get the f*** out of my truck! Get the f*** out of my goddamn truck! My truck right here. Oh. You better go pick partner up. Go get him! You bust the one out. Yep. You heard it? Yeah. Call the cops, Mom. Come on. Get your phone. Yes.
You just had a car break in?
I just had someone to break into my car. And the door's still open, but there's glass and stuff out there, and he just walked away. We told him, get out, get out. And,
Come on, just give him the address so the cops can pull up.
Yeah. Address is Memphis, Tennessee. You said what's the name of the property?
What's a good phone number? Got a good phone number for you.
Good phone number?
901. And I almost just sat there. Some said, cut your Ring camera on.
The doorbell camera recorded something crazy. There's a furious man losing his cool, and a guy and a girl trying to calm him down. But he's like a whirlwind, smashing trash cans and causing mayhem. You won't believe how wild things get when tempers flare.
I'm a big man as well. Stop all that bullshit. Stop all that bullshit to me. Stop all that bullshit. You know who I am. You know who I am. You know who I am, bro. Get out of your house. Come on. Come on. Who are you? Come on. Who are you? 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 You're starting on me. Bro, I'm not you. I'm not you, bro. I'm not you. I'm not you. You're the one who ran away that day. You're the one who ran away that day. Oh, come then, bro. Come. Come. I'm out here. Come. Come. Right, man. Come. Come. God, come. Bring the machete to me, big man. Bring the machete.
The doorbell camera recorded a shocking scene. Flames engulfing a neighbor's home. He rushed to the door and grabbed a fire extinguisher, realizing the danger.
Oh! Ow!
Michael's fiancée dialed 911, seeking help. They made their escape through the rear exit, grateful for their safety. Everyone emerged unharmed from this harrowing ordeal. The doorbell camera captured a terrifying moment, but it ended with a reassuring outcome, showing that they were safe in the end. In Skokie, Illinois, some sneaky folks tried to break into a store. The whole thing was caught on a red doorbell camera. They used a scary handsaw to break in, but they couldn't do it, so they ran away. In the eerie background, alarms were blaring. Luckily, the culprits left empty-handed without any loot. Bad luck for them. Out of the blue, a stranger appears and starts banging on a door. The homeowner, curious, watches through their camera. As time passes, tensions rise, and the two start arguing. Watch the video to see it unfold for yourself.
Leave now before I call the police.
What? Just ring your doorbell. What?
Leave. Get off my property.
What the f*** are you talking about? It's not your doors.
Leave before I call the police.
Who's here? Is this being hacked? I'm just knocking the door.
I want you to go away. You're on my property and I'm asking you to leave.
I'm knocking on the door to talk to the property owner.
Get off my property. Now.
While driving, some people saw a house on fire. They quickly used the doorbell intercom to warn the owner.
Hey! Hey, your house is on fire!
What?
Your house is on fire here!
What?
Your house!
Me?
I keep that with you.
We saw it as we were driving
Oh
past.
my God! Thank you! Oh my God!
Oh, wow.
Down in here too,
Oh my God!
Wow, that was bad. Good thing we stopped.
Thank you!
Holy shit.
With courage, they rescued both the owner and the house. They were heroes in the nick of time, saving the day. In a peaceful neighborhood, a doorbell camera recorded an intense moment. Two masked men aggressively kicked down a door, hoping to commit robbery. However, their schemes were quickly thwarted as the police apprehended them. Justice prevailed. A doorbell camera captured a thrilling scene, almost like a movie. It revealed the police chasing down a suspect, creating an unexpected spectacle. Life is full of surprises, even in the most ordinary places. In Nashville, Tennessee, a homeowner spots an unexpected guest in her fancy Porsche Cayenne SUV. With a determined stride, she heads outside to confront the intruder, all set to give him a piece of her mind. The air is thick with suspense as their face-off begins.
What are you doing? Get out of here! Lola, come! 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 I don't know.
The doorbell camera captured an intriguing sight. If you focus your attention to the right, you'll notice a supposed clown observing someone from across the street. While it might be a Halloween prank, it's evident the person in question genuinely experienced fear in the face of this clown-like figure.